encompassing the principles and methods of transforming an intelligible message into an unintelligible message. That means when you convert a data to another data where the another data is not understandable by others, and then again that another data into the original data, this concept is said to be cryptography. It is the art and science of doing this. Can you understand? Suppose now I am speaking in English, and if I don't want others to understand except you and me, I may speak in some code language. That code language conversion from English to code language, that is intelligible message to unintelligible message, is done by cryptography. And back again from unintelligible message to intelligible message is also done by the cryptography methods, which is known as the cryptography. That is the art and science of doing these things. Okay, so in cryptography there are certain basic concepts or basic terms that are associated. One is the plain text we call. So plain text means it is an original message, or it is a message written in an English language. Now I am talking in English, therefore everybody understands. Whoever knows English will understand. Suppose I talk in a code word, that is a transformed word, transformed language where only you and me can understand. Therefore, it is not a plain text. It is not understandable by anybody else except you and me. Okay, so then that text is called as the ciphertext, the transformed message from original message to the coded message is called as the ciphertext. Then how to do this from changing from plain text to ciphertext? How it is done is, it is done by a concept called as encipherment or encoding. Okay, what is encipherment or encoding? It is a process of converting the plain text to ciphertext. Okay, for doing that we need a key that is called as the cipher key, or we can just call it as a key. We'll see it elaborately in the later part. Then the process of reconverting, that is the process of converting the ciphertext. Ciphertext is the coded text into back into the plain text is known as decipherment, or we can call as decoding, or we can call as decryption. Three names are there: encipherment or encoding or encryption is a process of converting the plain text to ciphertext. What is a ciphertext? A ciphertext is a coded text which nobody else understands. It's a code, some code is involved in that. Then decryption or decoding or decipherment is a process of converting the ciphertext into the plain text. Okay, so therefore the terms you just remember: plain text, ciphertext, then encryption or encipherment or encoding, then fourth one decipherment, decoding or decryption. These four terms you keep in mind. Then the fifth term is the key. So in order to do this, we need a key. That is, it is a crucial information. In order to convert from plain text to ciphertext, we need a crucial information that is called as the key. Okay, so the 5 things of cryptography, 5 basic concepts of cryptography are, or elements of cryptography are, the plain text, ciphertext, key, encryption, decryption. Okay, then if somebody wants to break the code, know what you have transformed, attack and see what you have written, then that process is said to be the concept called as crypt analysis. You understood? Now I'm talking in English, and if I'm talking in another language, coded language, then you and I only can understand. Let us assume. Suppose somebody wants to know what is the coded language, he comes and attacks and tries to know my original language, that is English language, then this process is known as code breaking, or we can call it as crypt analysis. It is a study. It is a It is a study with some principles of knowing what is the original message that has been transmitted. Okay, so that cryptanalysis will be done by an intruder or an attacker or an unauthorized person. Okay, the process, you'll find out using several methods and principles to find what is the original text, what is the original meaning of the plain text. Okay, that process is known as crypt analysis. Okay, this is the extra term of the concepts of cryptography. Then the other thing is the study. We say about zoology, biology, all these zoologies. That is the study. So the study of both cryptography and cryptanalysis, we call it as cryptology. Cryptology includes both cryptography and cryptanalysis. Okay, so these are the basic concepts involved in the process of cryptography. Okay, just now by this time you should know what is security,